Hello, hello. My name is CJ, and we're back again with the TinyWars tutorial where we talk about how to use all the features on this website. We talked about most things. Let's talk about just a little bit of the basics. We can go to Profile and just basically see my stats, my avatar. You can change that. And you can also change your password, change your nickname, change how you appear in the game. Check your medals. Usually medals are for tournament wins. I don't have any. And Discord ID. That is basically maybe I don't want to. That's technically public. But yeah, you can turn on. Well, basically follow the instructions, and then if you kind of set your Discord ID, then you get notifications for your turn when it's your turn in a game, when it's your turn to ban or pick, and when a room has opened or when a game has ended. So that's what that is. Next, let's go into Map Editor. I don't have anything in here. Yeah, Map Editor allows you to, well, make a map. And I don't have a lot of experience with this, to be honest. I'm not a mapper. But there's a lot of features in here. And if someone makes a better video, which I hope they do, because I have no idea how to use this stuff. If someone else makes a video, I will link it because this is too much. I have no idea what's going on in here. Other people make maps, not me. But you can, I guess, put tiles in different places. You can put decorations. You can put different objects, different people's, like terrain, buildings, properties, and things. You can put neutral stuff. Gosh, there's actually so much. You can put different units as pre-deployed. You can make the symmetry, I guess. I don't know, but here's one thing that I think is really cool. I unfortunately don't know all that much about this either, but these are called war events. Basically, Baby Go is the developer of this game, and Baby Go is crazy in that, well, the general idea, they're so cool, but the general idea is that war events allow you to make things happen in a map, so that like you can do campaign stuff, so that you can like make dialogue prompts or make units ambush spawn. That's the type of idea that they were going for when they made war events. But the possibilities are like kind of endless because you basically just make triggers and then have it do stuff. I don't know how to explain that further. This is something you just need to play with. I can't really explain it other than just explain that the existence is there. Man, I wonder if I can find, like, these are conditions, and I think this is supposed to do something. Geez, I don't know. I think add event, maybe? No, that's not it. The event contains no action. Add an action. Invalid terrain filter. Modify. Oh geez, I don't know what's happening. Someone else needs to make a tutorial on this. I don't know, but basically, if you learn it, it's like programming. You can program a map. It's crazy. It's super cool. Because Baby Go in a sense, made a simulation for just playing the game in general, multiplayer. That's what this Tiny Wars is mainly used for, but you can do so much more with it. You can, make a custom campaign. That's what those custom campaigns I've showed before were all about, is they have war events to make dialogue prompts and all this stuff. And I'm going to show you my favorite thing that uses war events. I mean, the campaign is really cool. Like, actually, let's just look through this a little bit. Terrain tactics. See, you have dialogue prompts. This thing tells me that I need to move my recons, like, or what rather is like showing me all my different unit types. And they're doing dialogue and all that kind of stuff. That's what war events does. I wonder if I like speed through this. Oh yeah, see, like, yeah, that's a war event trigger. Like, I killed the tank and it triggered a war event and had Lynn talking. So that's really cool. Let's go into my favorite use of war events. It is a game called War Chess. This is going to be an advertisement to play War Chess because it's awesome. If you look at this, it's vaguely chess-like. You got your pawns, you got your other like pieces, you have your king, which is a medium tank. And if you look through this, you can see the rule set has war events. I did talk about this briefly earlier, but this is where it comes in. So we can read the things that happen in this game. So event number 1, infantry pawn promotion. If this is true, and on any turn, any phase, if there's a unit, get all units that are infantry or mech that's owned by player 1. If they are at a certain location, then it will be changed. Well, I don't know how to read this exactly, but what this does is it changes that infantry or mech to a full health tank. So that's like promoting your pawn into a queen in chess, right? So that's what this promotion event is. Force end turn. This one is if you have done an action, then it ends your turn, because you can only take one turn per game. One movement per turn. That's like chess. Player 1 lose via king. If there are no medium tanks owned by player 1, then they are defeated. Player 2, same thing. Reset 10 capture points. So this is because on War Chess map, there are places that you can capture, and they the creator of this map wanted to make it so that you can capture a city in one turn. So that's what capture point reset at 10 is. Taxation without representation. It takes away all your funds, I believe, so that you can't get repairs. P2 infantry pawn promotion, same as before. We got rules dialogue. Refuel. There's refueling so that things don't die. Max 3 ammo. A bunch of these units, anti-air tank, medium tank, and artillery, are only supposed to have 3 ammo in this game mode. There's some persistent text. So when I open the game, I'm going to open up a replay after this so that you can see what it looks like. All foot soldiers move +1 because there's another event that makes all, I believe, all units -1 move. Or there's like an overarching setting that makes all things -1 move so that they don't dominate the small chessboard too hard. Apparently there's BGMs that are specific. I didn't realize that was a thing, but that's pretty cool. So all that is to say, play War Chess, dude. This game is amazing. Hold on, let me see that again. I love war chess so much. Buster is insane. Props to him. Definitely my favorite Buster of all time. Um, I actually played a war chess game recently, and so this is the replay. You can see how those events kind of work out. You got this dialogue that explains the rules, and so now, oh, and then also that persistent text to, you know, if you want to see the rules, open up the replay. But yeah, you can see if I turn this down to make it faster. You can see, yeah, when one movement occurs and the turn ends automatically, right? So this is how war events do things. It's so cool. If you are a map maker or want to make maps and you haven't seen TinyWars before, um, you can do literally whatever you want. There's so much potential here. We're gonna skip ahead to things going on. Yeah, we got just units coming out. Again, 1 unit per turn because all units are -1 movement, so this artillery only moves 4 instead of 5. But all foot soldiers have that movement debuff mitigated so that they have a little bit more power on this chessboard. But yeah, there's so much cool stuff. I hope this demonstrated war events enough because this is the best example I can think of. There are so many different map making features though, a lot of quality of life. And if there's ever any features that you're looking for that have not already been shown, like let me know, because it might just be that I haven't shown it yet because I forgot about it. But it's also possible that it's just a good suggestion to make the game, to improve the game. And Baby Go is an amazing dev. They take so much community feedback and work with us a lot. There's so many different improvements that have happened based on community feedback. They've implemented so many things. The game is incredible because of them. So if there's something that hasn't been shown, either I just forgot to show it, or maybe it is just a good idea, then you can join the Discord and suggest the feature. But yeah, that is basically everything when it comes to just the basics of how to play. There's all sorts of there's some other stuff in here that isn't as important. Some graphic settings and the leaderboards again. There's also an online chat. It's kind of I don't really look at it, so I don't really know what goes on here. There's an English and Chinese one, because I'm mainly on the Discord mainly on the Discord instead. But yeah, that's it. That's basically everything that's on TinyWars. I will be continuing, hopefully, to make more TinyWars content, more maybe tutorials, mostly commentaries though. I might make some like strategy guides later, but mainly it'll probably be just commentaries on different games. That's technically what I was originally using my channel for, and then I ended up posting up my Atrio speedruns, and then that Atrio video came out, and then now all my subs are from Atrio. And then perhaps after they see me post all these TinyWars videos, they might unsub. I don't really know. I don't really mind either way, because I was originally going to do TinyWars content anyways. But yeah, let me know what you thought about this series. Hopefully it's helpful to you. Maybe there's something that I missed, in which case let me know and then I can cover that. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching through this entire series, and I hope you have a good time on the game. See ya.